Welcome everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation. On this first slide, you'll see our website, www.splendidpathfinder.in, along with the call for appointments at 9,650,873,715. Today, we'll be discussing various foot problems and how we can address them. Over the next few slides, I'll walk you through common issues, solutions, and what you can do to keep your feet healthy. Let's get started. Welcome to our second slide. If you're looking for personalized foot care, remember you can visit us at www.splendidpathfinder.in or call for an appointment at 9,650,873,715. Today, I want to talk about corns and calluses, which are common foot issues many people face. Corns are thickened skin areas that develop usually on the toes or the tops of the toes, often caused by repeated pressure or friction. Calluses, on the other hand, tend to form on the soles of the feet or the heels and are also a response to repeated rubbing or pressure. Both of these conditions are the body's way of protecting underlying tissues from injury, but they can become uncomfortable or even painful if not treated properly. The key point here is that these are very common and often manageable with proper care. However, if left untreated, they can lead to more serious problems, especially for those with diabetes or circulation issues. So, understanding how to prevent and treat corns and calluses is vital for maintaining healthy feet and overall well-being. Remember, proper footwear, good hygiene, and regular checkups are essential components of foot health. Let's take a closer look at this slide. If you're interested in learning more or booking an appointment, you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder.in or call us directly at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to the main topic of this slide, which is plantar fasciitis. This is a common condition that affects many people, especially those who stand or walk for long periods. Essentially, it involves inflammation of the plantar fascia, which is a thick band of tissue running along the bottom of your foot. This condition can cause significant heel pain, particularly in the morning or after periods of rest. It's important to recognize the symptoms early because, if left untreated, it can become chronic and more difficult to manage. The good news is that there are effective treatments available, including proper footwear, stretching exercises, and sometimes medical interventions. Understanding plantar fasciitis is crucial because it connects to our overall goal of foot health and injury prevention. By addressing this issue early, you can avoid more severe problems down the line. So, if you or someone you know is experiencing heel pain, don't hesitate to reach out for professional advice and care. Let's take a moment to look at how you can get in touch for an appointment. You can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder.in or simply give us a call at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to the main topic of this slide, 3 hammer toes. Hammer toes are a common foot deformity where the toe bends abnormally at the middle joint, resembling a hammer. This can cause discomfort and difficulty walking if left untreated. It's important to recognize the symptoms early, such as pain, corns, or calluses on the affected toe. Understanding the causes is also key. Factors like ill-fitting shoes, muscle imbalance, or even congenital issues can contribute to developing hammer toes. The good news is, there are effective treatment options available, ranging from conservative methods like footwear modifications and exercises to surgical interventions if needed. Throughout this presentation, we're emphasizing the importance of early diagnosis and proper management to prevent further complications. So, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule an appointment. We're here to help you get back on your feet comfortably. Let's take a moment to look at how you can reach us for appointments. You can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder.in or simply give us a call at 9,650,873,715 to schedule your consultation. Now moving on to today's focus, Hallux rigidus. This is a condition that affects the big toe, causing stiffness and pain. It's often due to arthritis or wear and tear in the joint. What's important to remember is that Hallux rigidus can significantly impact your daily activities, especially walking or running. Understanding the key symptoms can help us identify it early. Things like limited toe movement, swelling, and discomfort when pushing off during walking. Treatment options vary depending on the severity, but they can include conservative approaches like physiotherapy, orthotics, or in some cases, surgical intervention. The overall goal is to restore function and reduce pain, helping you get back to your normal routine. So, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out through our website or give us a call. We're here to help you find the best solution for your foot health. Let's take a moment to look at how you can get in touch for an appointment. You can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder. Or simply call us at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to the topic of heel spurs. Heel spurs are bony growths that develop on the underside of the heel bone. They often form as a response to repetitive stress or strain on the heel, commonly associated with plantar fasciitis. Heel spurs can sometimes cause heel pain, especially when standing or walking for extended periods. It's important to understand that not everyone with a heel spur experiences pain, but when they do, it can significantly impact daily activities. In the context of our overall discussion on foot health, recognizing heel spurs early and seeking appropriate treatment can make a big difference in relieving discomfort and preventing further complications. Remember, addressing these issues promptly helps maintain your mobility and quality of life. Let's take a moment to remember that for appointments or more information, you can visit www.splendidpathfinder. Or call us directly at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to the next point, let's talk about stress fractures, specifically those caused by improper weight. A stress fracture is essentially a small crack in the bone that develops over time due to repetitive stress or overuse. One of the common causes of this, especially in athletes or active individuals, is improper weight management. When the body is subjected to excessive or uneven weight distribution, it places additional pressure on certain bones, which can lead to these tiny fractures. This is why maintaining proper weight and ensuring balanced load distribution is crucial to prevent such injuries. This ties into our overall theme of injury prevention and proper biomechanics. Understanding how improper weight impacts our bones helps us to adopt better practices, whether it's in training, daily activities, or recovery. So, always be mindful of your body's signals and seek professional advice if you experience persistent pain, as early intervention can make a significant difference. Let's take a moment to look at how you can get in touch for an appointment. You can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder. Or simply call us at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to today's focus topic, Morton's neuroma. This is a common condition that affects the ball of the foot, usually between the third and fourth toes. It's essentially a thickening of the tissue around one of the nerves leading to your toes, which can cause quite a bit of discomfort. Many people experience symptoms like sharp, burning pain, tingling, or numbness in the affected area. It's often aggravated by wearing tight shoes or high heels, which put pressure on the ball of the foot. Understanding Morton's neuroma is important because early diagnosis and treatment can really make a difference. Conservative approaches like footwear modification, orthotics, or injections are often effective. In some cases, if conservative treatments don't work, we might consider surgical options. Throughout this presentation, I want you to keep in mind that foot health is crucial for your overall mobility and quality of life. Recognizing symptoms early and seeking professional advice can help you stay comfortable and active. Let's take a moment to note our contact details for any appointments or questions. You can visit us at www.splendidpathfinder.in or call us directly at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to today's topic, the Achilles tendon. This is a crucial part of our anatomy, connecting the calf muscles to the heel bone. It plays a vital role in activities like walking, running, and jumping. Because of its importance, any injury or strain here can significantly impact mobility. When we talk about the Achilles tendon, we're focusing on understanding how it functions and what can go wrong. Tendon injuries can range from inflammation, known as tendinitis, to tears or ruptures in more severe cases. Recognizing early signs and knowing how to prevent overuse are key points I want you to remember. Throughout this discussion, we'll see how maintaining healthy tendons is part of overall musculoskeletal health, which ties into our broader theme of injury prevention and recovery. So, keep these ideas in mind as we explore the Achilles tendon further. Let's move on to our contact information. If you'd like to schedule an appointment or have any questions, you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder.in. Alternatively, you can give us a call at 9,650,873,715. Now, shifting gears to today's topic, we're talking about ankle sprains. An ankle sprain is a common injury that occurs when the ligaments that support the ankle are stretched or torn, often due to sudden twists or turns. It's important to recognize the key signs, such as pain, swelling, bruising, and difficulty in bearing weight. Understanding how to manage an ankle sprain promptly can help prevent further injury and promote faster recovery. Throughout this presentation, we've emphasized the importance of early intervention and proper care, which are crucial in maintaining mobility and avoiding chronic issues. So, if you or someone you know experiences this kind of injury, remember the contact details and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Let's take a moment to note our contact information. You can visit us at www.splendidpathfinder.in or call for an appointment at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to the topic of the day, we're discussing flat foot deformity. This condition is quite common and can significantly affect a person's mobility and quality of life. Essentially, it involves the flattening of the arch of the foot, which can lead to various symptoms like pain, fatigue, and even difficulty walking. It's important to recognize that flat foot can be flexible or rigid, and the treatment varies accordingly. Sometimes, it might just require supportive footwear or orthotics, but in more severe cases, surgical intervention might be necessary. The key here is early diagnosis and appropriate management to prevent further complications. Understanding this condition fits into our overall theme of foot health and the importance of timely intervention. So, if you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms related to flat foot, don't hesitate to get it evaluated. Remember, proper care can make a big difference in maintaining mobility and comfort. Let's take a moment to note that you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder.in for more information or to schedule an appointment. You can also call us directly at 9,650,873,715. Now, moving on to bunions, which are quite a common foot condition. A bunion is essentially a bony bump that forms at the base of your big toe, and it can cause a lot of discomfort over time. It often happens when the bones in the foot move out of alignment, leading to that prominent bump. Bunions can develop gradually, and they're usually associated with wearing tight or ill-fitting shoes, but genetics can also play a role. The key symptoms include a swollen, sore bump, and sometimes the big toe may lean toward the second toe, which can cause further pain and deformity. It's important to recognize the signs early because if left untreated, bunions can worsen, making walking and daily activities painful. Treatment options range from conservative measures like shoe modifications and orthotics to more advanced interventions such as surgery. Understanding bunions is essential because they tie into our overall discussion of foot health and proper management. Addressing these issues early can prevent significant discomfort and help you maintain an active, pain-free lifestyle. Now, if you're interested in learning more or scheduling an appointment, you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder. Or call us directly at 9,650,873,715. Today, we're going to talk about the different types of foot arches. Understanding your foot arch is really important because it affects how you walk, run, and even your overall posture. There are generally three main types of foot arches: high arches, normal arches, and flat arches. High arches tend to be more rigid, which can sometimes lead to problems with stability and shock absorption. Normal arches are the most common and usually provide a good balance of support and flexibility. Flat arches, or fallen arches, often result in overpronation, which can cause discomfort and lead to other biomechanical issues. By understanding which type of arch you have, we can recommend the best footwear or treatment options to keep your feet healthy and comfortable. This knowledge connects directly to our overall goal of maintaining proper foot health and preventing future problems. Let's take a moment to note that you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder. Or give us a call at 9,650,873,715 to schedule an appointment. Now, moving on to foot arch types, this is an important aspect of understanding foot health. Your foot arch plays a crucial role in how you walk, run, and even stand. There are generally three main types: high arches, normal arches, and flat arches or fallen arches. High arches tend to be more rigid and can sometimes lead to less shock absorption, which might cause ankle instability or stress fractures. Normal arches are what most people have. They provide a good balance of support and flexibility. Flat arches, on the other hand, often result in overpronation, which can lead to various issues like shin splints or knee pain. Understanding your foot arch type helps us determine the best footwear and treatment options tailored specifically for your needs. It ties into the overall goal of achieving optimal foot health and preventing future problems. So, when you're thinking about your foot health, remember that knowing your arch type is a key step toward better mobility and comfort. Let's take a moment to review the stages of foot deformation. If you're interested in booking an appointment or learning more, you can visit www.splendidpathfinder. Or call us directly at 9,650,873,715. Understanding the stages of foot deformation is crucial because it helps us identify how the condition progresses over time. Early stages might show subtle changes, but as it advances, deformities become more pronounced, affecting mobility and quality of life. Recognizing these stages allows us to intervene appropriately, often preventing severe deformities and improving outcomes. Throughout this presentation, we've emphasized the importance of early detection and treatment, and understanding these stages is a vital part of that process. So, keep in mind that monitoring the progression can make a significant difference in managing foot health effectively. If you're looking to get in touch or schedule an appointment, you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder. Or simply call us at 9,650,873,715. Now, let's talk about a condition that's quite serious: severe high arch, or what's often called a high arch foot. This condition occurs when the arch of the foot is excessively high, which can lead to a range of issues. People with this condition may experience instability when walking, increased pressure on the ball and heel of the foot, and sometimes even pain or discomfort. It's important to recognize that a high arch isn't just a cosmetic issue. It can significantly affect your gait and overall foot health. Addressing this early can help prevent further problems, especially if you're feeling discomfort or noticing abnormal footwear patterns. So, if you suspect you have a severe high arch, don't hesitate to consult a specialist. We're here to help you understand your condition better and find the right solutions. Now, if you're interested in scheduling an appointment or learning more, you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder. in or give us a call at 9,650,873,715. Moving on to the topic of high arch, or what is often called pes cavus, let's talk about the symptoms you should watch out for. People with high arches often experience certain telltale signs. For instance, you might notice pain in the heel or the ball of the foot, especially after standing or walking for a while. There can also be difficulty finding comfortable footwear, since the high arch can cause uneven pressure distribution. You might experience frequent ankle sprains because of the instability caused by the high arch. Additionally, some individuals notice calluses or corns forming on the ball or heel of the foot due to increased pressure in those areas. And in some cases, the deformity can lead to issues with balance or proprioception, making walking or standing more challenging. Recognizing these symptoms early is key to managing the condition effectively and preventing further complications. So, if you or someone you know exhibits these signs, it's important to seek professional advice to explore appropriate treatment options. So, for more information or to take the next step, you can visit our website at www.splendidpathfinder.in. And if you'd like to schedule an appointment, just give us a call at 9,650,873,715. Remember, we are your major problem one-stop solution, here to help you navigate whatever challenges you're facing. Whether it's guidance, support, or personalized advice, we're ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out. Our goal is to make your journey smoother and more successful.